Remitly money transfer. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to use Remitly app to send money or transfer the money to one account to the another internationally and nationally. So first of all, just simply open your Play Store or your App Store, and after that on the search bar just simply search for Remitly, and after that just simply install the application in your device. And once the application is downloaded, just simply open it, and after that just choose the language of your preference and click on continue. If you already have an account, just simply click on I already have a profile, and if you don't have the account, just simply click on create a new profile, and after that just choose the country from where you want to transfer the money. I'm choosing Canada for example, and after that just choose the country where you want to transfer the money. For example, I'm choosing Philippines, and then just simply click on next, and it will redirect you to the web page where you have to enter your email address and your password, and just also confirm your password while re-entering it, and just check the box and accept the terms and conditions of the Remitly app. And after that just simply click on sign up, and as soon as you sign up, the page will open up where you have to enter the amount of the money you want to transfer from your home country to the country where you want to transfer the money internationally. And once you enter the amount of the money you want to transfer, just simply click on transfer, just simply click on send, and your money will be transferred successfully. So this way you will be able to transfer money using your Remitly app. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.